All right, so Mr. Birkin presents Map Skills. This is the redo version. Here we go. So, we've got our new map here, and you are going to fill in what it asks you to fill in. So, first thing I would do, grab a ruler, and we want to fill in our equator. Now remember, the equator is one of our parallels. Okay, it is a line of latitude like a ladder, so it goes up and down the earth in straight lines, thus it's called a parallel. It is right at the center, so if I wanted to be really precise, I could measure my map from top to bottom, which would end up right about there at 3 inches, and then draw a line straight across, and that is my equator. I'm going to draw it straight across, and I'm going to label it equator. E-Q-U-A-T-O-R. Then I'm going to draw a line, and I want to get it through this country right here, which is England. Okay? Because this line goes right through England, straight down, up and down. It's one of my meridians. It's the 0 meridian, which is a line of longitude. And this is the prime meridian. So I can turn my map to the side and write on it prime meridian. Alright, and then I turn it back. So now I have the prime meridian, goes right through England, and I have my equator, which goes right through the center of the earth. Alright, the center line of the earth, not through the middle of the earth. Alright, so 7 continents. Here we go. North America. North America, where we live. South America, down to the south of us. We have Africa, right here at the center of our map. Large continent right there at the center. Europe is now kind of borderlined here, so you can see it. They didn't include this part of Russia, which again, that's kind of up for debate. It is considered part of Europe sometimes and part of Asia sometimes. This is kind of the Siberian part of Russia. But anyway, this continent right here is Europe. E-U-R-O-P-E, Europe. Right here is Asia, A-S-I-A. Moving down the map to the south is Australia, A-U-S-T-R-A-L-I-A. And finally, down at the very bottom of the map is Antarctica, A-N-T-A-R-C-T-I-C-A. It's the opposite of the Arctic, so it is the Antarctic. All right, one thing I forgot is, of course, we need our compass rose. So we need a line straight up and down. We need a line straight across. And we need to label it. So at the top we have north. Down below we have south. To the right side we've got east. And to our left we have west. Then you're going to make an X through it. And in between, always, N goes first or S goes first. So between north and east is northeast. Between north and west is northwest. Between south and west is southwest. And between south and east is southeast. And of course, if you reverse them, it would be wrong. We always say the N or the S first. Now, the last thing that we're missing on this map is our 4 oceans. So let's put them in here. So right here is California in North America. And our coast is along the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. You need both words, both capitalized. All of these, notice, are capitalized words because they're all proper nouns. Over on the other side, New York, the New England states, they border the ocean of the Atlantic Ocean. And the Atlantic Ocean is the one between North America and Africa and Europe. All right, down below Asia here, we have near the country of India, we have the Indian Ocean. And last but certainly not least, up at the very top of the Earth, we have the Arctic region, which is part of that is the Arctic Ocean. ARCTIC, and then ocean, OCEAN. And that is a completed map. That would be a full credit map. And let's flip it over. On the other side, we have North and South America, and we need to fill this one in. So first thing we need is North America. That's up here, North America. Down below we have South America. Those are the two continents here near where we live here in California, in Benicia. All right. Here in North America, we have 3 countries, so we need to label our country, which is, of course, the United States of America, and I'm fine with you abbreviating that USA. We need the country to the south of us, which is Mexico. And we need the country to the north of us, which is Canada. We also need the 2 oceans on the east and west of us, of the United States of America. So on the west coast, where we are, we have the Pacific Ocean. And on the east coast, they border the Atlantic Ocean. Of course, to the north, there's also the Arctic Ocean, but I'm not requiring you to label that. I'm more concerned with the 2 coasts. All right, and that's it. That's the whole checklist. So this would be a fully filled out, completed test. Good luck studying for your test. Get this stuff in your head so you're able to do it just like that. All right, good luck.